Hello everyone, and today my agenda is that how to implement bubble chart in Angular application. And here we can see that here and on browser and showing here bubble chart, and this types of bubble chart today I will be implement in Angular application. Let's start and creating a project. And the project location is that inside D drive and Angular, and we can see that here Angular graph demo application. Select this one project and like that, and we can see that project has been imported here in Visual Studio Code Angular graph demo, and you can see that here all files are showing here look like. And right now open this project in new terminal like that, and cd src, and now run. Firstly check this project like that, and we can see that here project compiled successfully. And we can see that here project compiled successfully. You can see that here, and open your browser just like it, and refresh 4200 port number, and we can see that Angular graph demo application has been compiled and run successfully, and this application has been compiled successfully. And after that, next step is that in this project I want to implement and graph right now. And so first one step is that we have to need install some basic package like that. First one is that npm install save ng to charts. Just copy this one and paste here and enter. And we can see that here, and the ng2 charts package has been added successfully, and we can see that here. And after that, second step is that npm install save chart.js. Copy this one and just paste here like that and enter. And we can see that here chart.js and edit 3 package and we can see that here chart.js package has been added successfully. And next step is that we can see that here, and chart module add in my module.ts just like here, and open your app and app.module.ts and paste here chart modules. And after that, copy this one and paste here. We can see that here, and we have completed 3 steps. Step 1 is that npm install save ng2 charts, and second one step is that chart.js 2 package has been installed, and third one step is that inside the app.module.ts we have add chart module. This part has been completed. And right now, and I will be implement graph. We have already discussed all the steps, 3 steps that means. And this is project, and now, and I have written HTML part of bubble chart here. You can see that here, and just copy this HTML part. This is a bubble chart HTML. Just copy HTML, and where we want to implement bubble chart, and then we can keep file there. And you can see that here data set, the value of bubble chart data, and option bind here, and colors binding here, and ligand binding here, and chart type bubble chart type. This part of the HTML. And last one is that button here, and button and click here, and call randomize function. And basically the main purpose of this function is that update dynamically data. Okay, this part of the HTML has been completed. And right now move to the TS part. This is component app.component.ts. We write down here TypeScript for graph, and we can see that here we have to need import 2 packages like that. First one step is that, and import here 2 packages, and chart option, and chart type, and chart dataset from chart.js, and ng2 charts from color. And after that, bubble chart option and we have already discussed about it, and we have add in my HTML bubble chart option. Just copy this one inside the bubble chart option, and we declare here responsive true and scales that means x and y, and decide the minimum and max here, and ticks mean 0 and max 30 in bubble chart option. You can see that here bubble chart option part has been completed. And now next step is that bubble chart type is equal to bubble, and bubble chart ligand true. Just copy two lines and open our Visual Studio Code, and just paste here, and after that bubble chart data we can see that here, and this data also copy here, and inside bubble chart data we can see that here this is data set, and inside data set we set data x for x, y, r, and like that, and label series A, and background color green, background color blue, and hover background color purple, and hover border color red, like that. Next option is that bubble chart colors. Copy this one and just paste here. We can see that here bubble chart of color, so and showing here set the value background color, like that. This part of the initialization of variable and assign value, and the next step is event, and that means whenever we click on chart and hover on mouse and particular graph, and we can find out value particular time. Here we can see that here, and event write down here, and chart click event and chart hovered event, that two function written here. And third one is that rand function, basically due to the dynamic value setting here, and the third one is that random point function, and last is that randomize function. And all events and randomize and function written here, and just save this code and compile your application. We can see that here application compiled successfully, and just open your browser and refresh your application, like that. We can see that here, and bubble chart showing here, you can see that here, and when I click on update and showing look like. Okay, thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.